Expression squeeze shopping. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about shopping. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. My husband's tailor-made suits cost an arm and a leg. A. Aren't you costly? B. Are very expensive. C. Fit him perfectly. Answer is cost an arm and a leg means letter B. Are very expensive. Number 2 is a rare book. So if that's the price, it's a steal. A. It was stolen. B. It's too much. C. It's a bargain. Answer is it's a steal means letter C. It's a bargain. Number 3. $40 for a haircut. That's daylight robbery. A. Far too expensive. B. A little too much. C. Much too cheap. Answer is daylight robbery means letter A. Far too expensive. Number 4. All their winter clothes will be on sale by the start of spring. A. Sold out. B. Discounted. C. More highly priced. Answer is on sale means letter B. Discounted. Number 5. None of the paintings in the gallery are for sale. A. Available for purchase. B. Good enough to sell. C. Cheap enough to buy. Answer is for sale means letter A. Available for purchase. Number 6. We got a top-of-the-line electric stove for a song. A. For a very high price. B. For an average price. C. For a very low price. For a song means letter C. For a very low price. Number 7. These phones have been selling like hotcakes. A. Selling very slowly. B. Selling very quickly. C. Selling very cheaply. Answer is selling like hotcakes means letter B. Selling very quickly. Number 8. Even though we don't have much money, we still enjoy window shopping. A. Looking without buying. B. Shopping for windows. C. Shopping without paying. Answer is letter A. Window shopping means looking without buying. Number 9. Whenever Kim wants something, she drives a hard bargain and gets a good price. A. Haggles unfairly. B. Haggles angrily. C. Haggles determinedly. Answer is letter C. Drives a hard bargain means haggles determinedly. Number 10, last item. The tickets were sold out within 24 hours. A. Were for sale. B. Were all sold. C. Were discounted. Were sold out means letter B. Were all sold. So this video ends here about expression squeeze shopping. Thanks for watching.